To perform the lat pull down, get a hold of the bar with your palms facing forward, chest up high, and your shoulders engaged behind you. Pull the bar down under your chin by activating your lats, which are the large muscles right up under your shoulders that connect to your lower back. As you come up, maintain control and breathe strong through the entire movement. You want to breathe in as you come down and out as you come up. Do not lean back too far and put strain on your lower back. Repeat with good form through all programmed repetitions. The lat pull down is a stellar exercise for teaching your body how to use your lats and your biceps together while keeping your core engaged. It's also amazing for helping your postural muscles develop well. All you need is a lat pull down. Let's get into it. The lat pull down is a powerful exercise that integrates your lat muscle and your bicep muscle while teaching you how to maintain proper posture and form. Notice how when Katie does the exercise, she pulls it strong under her chin and doesn't lean back too far, just making enough room for the bar to come down. She's also controlling the movement on the way up so arms don't go slack and maintains great exercise control throughout the entire movement. An alternative to this grip, the pronated grip, is a supinated grip, which is your palms facing inward. You want to try that one for me? This variation takes some of the load off of the lats, but also makes it a little easier on the elbows as well. This is great for the biceps and can also help you if you wrestle with tendonitis. Nice job, Katie.